We have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site.
You alright?
Yeah. I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click out on this shit. I'm about to click. Whoa.
Dino got that damn thing. Let me hear that shit, Dino. Let me hear that thing. Oh shit.
19. She called my number, leave her hanging. She got dry clean. The messages is lime green. 20 teens. Nadine, Christine.
Things are sounding good out here on the late night. I see you, brothers. I see y'all peeking.
Man, I pack them in this phone like some sardines.
I see y'all peeking. Thing ready to get loose.
And they send me naked pictures. It's the small things.
Let the games begin. Let the fucking games begin. Ole. Yeah, I know. I know. Oh shit. On the fire, on the baby hit. He wasn't even hit me hard too. Almost like I got the fire. Almost I got the fire. Oh, I think they left. It's only me. The rest of the guys left us. To hell with them. Only the original gangsters anyway. Bing. Bong. Bing. Thought I had a nice group. Thought I had a nice group. I'll see you all over here peeking. Here we go. Building's looking good on the late night. Ooh, shit. Yeah, playing, boy. I see you with the red night suit on. Alright, boys. Oh, she's said, "Ooh, made that pum pum wet. I seen you jiggle." Who we got right there? Cruising on the... Hey, that's my boy. I like to see you out here, brother. I'm glad to see you. Glad to see you. So glad you're making it. See, baby, got the... Somebody aired that motherfucker out under the bridge. You guys are good? You guys good? You guys good? No, he ain't hear me. They can't understand me. I don't... Now I'm starting to guess if they're even with me. Nah, they with me. What we got right there in the white? I see you over there wiggling, man. Come here. Yeah, you come here, baby. You, word? You gonna do me like that? Ah, you nasty ass. Tried it. Tried it. It's only right. It's only right. It's only right the top G tried it. I didn't even want to, but didn't want to, but you know. Little babaruskis. Little babaruskis. I see you over there peeking. She said, "Oh, I feel it in the..." Put the girl's feet up on the damn bike, bro. What the hell he doing? He can't be out here. He ain't doing it right. The girl on the back of the bike ain't even got her feet on the pegs, footrest, whatever y'all want to call it. Doing a crazy job out there.
Shot him in daylight. Shot him in daylight. She went to John and she bought a body. TPS think that I bought a body. Take more than that to go pop somebody. they got somebody, nigga, what?
Ooh, nice little wheelie. Willy, 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 willy. Wet willy. Beat you to it. I know he wanted to catch a willy right there. Beat him to it. Beat him to the spot. Beat him to it. Beat him to it. Hey! Come up here. Come on up here. Alright, hit the fist. Come up here and hit the fist. Alright, alright, alright. Let me hear it. Ooh. There we go. There we go. Ooh, a little fire come out of that thing on the back blast. A little fire come out of there on the back blast. Pow! Pickety beep, pow! Skibbity beep, pow! But as we proceed, man, I'm so glad to be out here late night riding, giving the people what they need. You know, they like to see that, how the city come alive at night. Get over here and show y'all some things. Show y'all some things about the city at night. If I can, if y'all allow me to. There you go, baby. Late night sliding. Yeah, baby. Ooh, I seen all that fire come out of that motherfucker. Walking out right about here. Getting it. ole. Swing through the blocks real quick. Oh, see you with the throw out there, baby. See you with the throw out, baby. Yeah. All that gas. Ooh, okay, AMG. AMG scoop. Show y'all a different side of Berlin, man. Show you how Berlin come alive at night. Like it's supposed to. Like it's supposed to. I see you out here, brother. Scooting it on the late night. Scooting it. Scoot, scoot. She packing up the band, the maracas. Packing up the maracas, bongos, packing up the bongos, bongos. Take up a little space for a quick second. Quick second.